In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Pipedrive. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Pipedrive account, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a web form, customize it, and share it with your leads. First, start by opening the Leads section. On the left-hand sidebar in Pipedrive, look for the Leads icon. Go ahead and click that, and then choose the option called Lead Booster. Lead Booster is the area where Pipedrive keeps tools for capturing new leads, including web forms, chatbots, and more, and that's where we're going to be working. Once Lead Booster is open, look for the Web Forms option in the Lead Booster menu and click it. This takes you to the central place where all your forms live. If you've never created a form before, this page might be empty, and that's completely fine. If you already have forms, you'll see them listed here. To create a new one, click the New Web Form button. Pipedrive will show you a selection of templates to choose from. These templates are pre-built forms designed for common use cases, like collecting basic contact details or gathering more detailed information. Pick a template that's closest to what you want, knowing that you can always change and customize it later. After choosing your template, it's time to customize the fields. You'll see a form builder where you can add or modify questions. Click the plus button to add new fields, for example, name, email, phone, or any other details that are important for your process. Keep your form as short and focused as possible while still collecting what your team truly needs. The fewer unnecessary fields you add, the more likely people are to complete the form. Next, you need to decide what happens with the information once someone submits the form. Click on Submit Options to set the destination. Here you can choose whether new form entries are saved as leads or as deals in Pipedrive. If you're just capturing early interest, leads is usually the best option. If your form is further down the funnel, such as a demo request, you might want submissions to become deals directly. When you're happy with your fields and submit settings, click Save. After saving, click Share and Embed. This will give you a direct link you can share on emails or social media. And also, HTML embed code you can paste into your website so the form appears directly on your pages. And that's it. You've created, customized, and set up a Pipedrive web form ready to start capturing new leads.